Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Realme top-load washing machine. First, ensure the machine is plugged in and the water supply is connected. Open the lid and evenly distribute your laundry, making sure not to overload it beyond the maximum capacity, typically around 7 to 8 kilograms. Add the recommended amount of detergent to the dispenser, usually 1 capful for a standard load. Close the lid securely before proceeding to the next step. Next, it's time to select the appropriate wash cycle for your clothes. Your Realme machine offers various options like normal, delicate, heavy, and quick wash. For everyday items, normal is usually best. You can also adjust the water level based on your load size, from low to high, and choose the desired spin speed. Always refer to your garment care labels for specific instructions to prevent damage. Once your cycle and settings are chosen, simply press the power button, then the start/pause button to begin the wash. The machine will automatically fill with water and start the washing process. You can monitor the progress through the display panel. If you need to add an item mid-cycle, press pause, wait for the lid to unlock, add the item, and then press start again. The cycle will complete with a gentle chime. To keep your Realme washing machine in top condition, remember to clean the lint filter regularly, ideally after every 5 to 10 washes, to maintain efficiency. Wipe down the exterior with a soft, damp cloth and leave the lid slightly ajar after use to prevent mildew. For optimal performance and energy saving, avoid overloading and use high-efficiency detergent. Following these simple steps will ensure your machine serves you well for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.